Viewers, even as India mourns the brutal Pahalgam attack and vows decisive action against Pakistan-backed terror, the INDIA bloc has revealed its true colors. Shockingly, at a time when the nation demands justice, some leaders are batting for talks with Pakistan. Can you believe it? The J&K Congress chief has triggered massive outrage by proposing that India should sit across the table with Pakistan, a stance seen as a complete betrayal of terror victims. When confronted by Times Now, the J&K Congress chief chose to dodge the question rather than defend his own remarks. Viewers, see for yourselves how the leaders elected by people seem to be shamelessly backing Pakistan and refusing to answer for it.
हमारे सैलानी हमारी इकॉनमी हमारे सैलानियों के ऊपर दारोमदार है। जिन लोगों की वजह से जो नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स है वो बहुत कम रहा, बहुत लो रहा। अगर ये लोग ना होते तो शायद कितनी बड़ी विपदा होती। हम अगर एक साइड से इन लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं कि इन्होंने उस वक्त सैलानियों को मदद करके, आई रिक्वेस्ट बोथ साइड्स टू कीप देयर कूल विद फोल्डेड हैंड्स। आई रिक्वेस्ट बोथ साइड्स, एंड when I say I represent these sentiments of hundreds and thousands of people, that they should keep their cool and something should be sorted. Whatever has to be done across the table. They should sort it out. Both the countries should not be pushed to devastation anymore.
तारिक जी, आप कह रहे हैं कि पाकिस्तान से बैठ के बातचीत की जानी चाहिए। आपको लगता है कि 26 लोगों की जान गई है बैठ कर बातचीत? Sir, what do you think? Is it the people?
As long as Republic and Times Now is here, I will not speak.
Sir, but what about the lives of people? We are just asking the question, sir. What do you want to say?
As long as Republic and
Sir, Times Now is asking the question for the nation, sir. We are asking the question for justice. Sir, आपको लगता है कि जवाब, सर आपको लगता है कि बातचीत से मसला सॉल्व होगा? Sir, Times Now is the channel who is asking you the question. सर, आपको लगता है बातचीत से मसला कैसे सॉल्व होगा? सर, एक बार नहीं कई बार अटैक हुआ है, चाहे वो पुलवामा अटैक हो, 26/11 का अटैक हो। सर, टाइम्स नाउ आपसे सवाल पूछ रहा है कि एक नहीं कई बार अटैक हुआ है।
And viewers, despite mounting backlash over his controversial remarks, Congress leader Tariq Karra remains defiant when confronted once again by Times Now. Tariq Karra showed no remorse at all, insisted in fact that he did not say anything regrettable. Far from apologizing, Tariq Karra continued to brazen it out, standing by his original statement. Listen in.
And don't try to divide the country. मुल्क ने इस वक्त जो एक यूनानिमिटी दिखाई है, पूरे जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों ने जो एक यूनानिमिटी दिखाई है, all the political parties have shown their wisdom. Please don't try to vitiate the situation.
Sir, but the people want that, there should be no talks, but India should retaliate strongly.
मेरा स्टैंड वही है जो राहुल गांधी जी का स्टैंड है, and he has said that we are with the union, we are with the government.
Sir, लेकिन राहुल गांधी ने पीस टॉक्स के बारे में तो बात नहीं।
Whatever the actions, no one has talked about the talks.
But Rahul Gandhi hasn't spoken about the peace talks. Sir, don't you think it's an insult to all those who have lost their lives?
I have never said that.
So please clarify then what you meant to say.
Whatever I have said, that is in the press, that is in the media, that is on my tweet.
So don't you think that it's an insult to all those who have lost their lives, those innocent lives, those 26 tourists?
If you are attributing it to me, then I am saying with very strong words that I have never said it, and don't try to vitiate the situation in the country.
Sir, but then what have you said? Sir, then what have you said?
Trying to put words in my mouth, I'm telling you.
We are just repeating so as to what you have said. Yes. We are just getting a clarity so as to what you have said,
Please
sir.
don't try to put words in my mouth. I have made clear this thing that if you want to see what is my stand, go to the statement, go to the tweet, and that statement is my statement.
The entire country is listening to you, sir. You can again tell what you mean to say.
पूछा जा रहा था आपका स्टेटमेंट क्या है?
सर, पूरा देश आपको सुन रहा है और देख रहा है, आप क्या कहना
चाहेंगे? My statement is whatever I have reiterated what Rahul Gandhi ji has said, and he has said that we should be seen as in unison with the government of India.
Sir, but Rahul Gandhi has not talked about the peace talks.
Don't speak about what and not what. And he has said whatever the government of India feels good, for the integrity of the country, we are with the government.
Sir, but do you still feel that there should be diplomatic talks, sir? Sir, आपको लगता है कि एक और बार diplomatic talks
Don't
होने
try
चाहिए?
don't try to.
Sir, we are just saying of what you have said,
I have
sir.
said what you asked. I have said it.
So we
So
are
not
asking
beyond
just
that.
what do you feel? Do you feel that there should be another way also of talks? This is what just we are trying to ask. So do you feel that there are another channel that should be open? But sir, what about the terror attack that takes place here on and on? What about, sir, those innocent people who lose their life? So what about the Indian Army who is
We have
safeguarding?
condemned it in the strongest possible words. Now don't try to vitiate the situation. I am telling you, requesting you again
Will
and
you
again.
take your statement back of peace?
No ifs and buts in it. Whatever Rahul Gandhi has said, entire nation is with that. Entire nation
But
is
will
with
you
that.
take your statement back? Sir, do you regret so as to what you have said? Sir, will you apologize also?
ठीक है सर
Sir, आप regret करते हैं जो आपने बोला है?
I have not said anything regrettable, okay?
Thank you.
So you heard, viewers, what he said earlier, Tariq Karra, when he was talking about that, whatever has to be done across the table. They should be sorted out. Both the countries should not be pushed to devastation anymore. And later when he was confronted, you just heard what he said, eventually saying, I have not said anything regrettable. Now, it's not just him, viewers. While Bharat demands retribution, there are several political leaders who are talking about dialogue with the very forces behind terror. Several Congress leaders have gone on to, in fact, back J&K Congress chief on his statement too. Listen in.
Talks are a must.
Talks are a must with a country who supports terrorism, who shelters terrorists.
That's the BJP policy. They may not listen to us, but we are a country which has a liberal ideology. We are a democracy. We have a nation which was non-aligned. We hate wars, warmongering. We can't let lives go so way.
But say it be Pulwama, say it be 2611, and now this Pahalgam. First time that they have targeted the...
Unless you try everything, nothing can happen.
So what do you think, sir? We should continuously keep on talking with Pakistan and do nothing?
Of course,
We should
not
not-
at the compromise of your national security. It doesn't mean that. Don't misread it.
So that is what the national security is all about, to give a reply to
Let
Pakistan.
national security decide, but let them also keep this option open.
Viewers, and we have another Congress leader also extending a long rope to Pakistan. Former Union Minister Saifuddin Soz has shockingly said, Pakistan has said it's not behind the attack and we should trust them. This is what he said. Can you believe it? Now, this statement, coming even after undeniable evidence of Pakistan's involvement, has sparked massive outrage. As Bharat stands united against terror, some leaders continue to breach all boundaries of national interest with their blind Pak Prem, as the BJP has been calling it. Listen in.
Pakistan is a lifeline because irrigation and drinking water and rivers have to flow towards Pakistan, and I have a feeling that the water cannot be diverted. It can create, firstly, Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir will be totally submerged. So Indus Water Treaty has survived the wars between India and Pakistan. And I have a feeling that better sense will prevail. And Pakistan's word should be accepted.